These paper templates for snowflakes should make everything really easy. So they have all your directions at the top. First thing we need to do is cut out the square. So you'll need a pair of scissors that you can use for this project. Do your best to cut along that outside edge as neatly and as carefully as possible so that things come out better when you fold your snowflake in the end. So keep your scrap of paper with your directions. It's got everything on there for you. First, you need to fold diagonally in half to come up with a triangle. That means on this big line here, you're going to fold backwards so you can see the side with the printed designs on it. Then fold once more in half to get a smaller triangle. So that means this line here. Same thing. Fold it in half so that you can see the design part in the middle. Fold the left section towards the back. So that would be this section right on this line. We want to take it, fold it backwards. And fold the right section towards the back. So take it and fold it backwards. And make sure that they both can kind of tuck like this. And now you're going to cut away the gray area. So it can be kind of hard to see what's gray and what's white. This section is gray, this section, and a tiny little bit at the end. So that just means you're going to cut on this line for this design, and the whole end comes off. These two pointy parts. And that's true of all the designs. But the other designs have different parts. The ones with the curves are going to be harder to cut because curves are harder to cut, especially when you have a lot of paper stacked up together like this. So cutting on all these lines until you remove all those little gray parts. So here's a finished one that I have that's already cut, and you would then unfold it so you can see your finished snowflake design. And this is what it looks like in the end. Once you do one, you should try another one, a different one, or there are papers that you can use to design your own and come up with your own shapes cut out of it. So this one has like diamonds, but you could have hearts cut out, you could have stars, you could have letters for your name or initials. There's all sorts of your own things that you could do with your snowflake once you figure out how it goes.